Hi! Bookly Customer Groups add-on enables you to create and manage groups of clients for different purposes. You can set certain limitations, assign special prizes, offer promotions to particular customers, and more. Note that Customer Groups is an add-on that requires the Bookly Pro plugin. Once you've purchased and installed the Bookly Customer Groups add-on, activate it in Plugins and make sure to enter the purchase code you received in the Settings, Purchase Code tab in order to have access to free updates of the plugin. Go to the Customer Groups section in the Bookly menu. To add a group, click on the New Group button. Enter the group title. Select a default status for the appointment that will be created by a customer who belongs to this group. Specify a custom payment method and the amount of discount if necessary. If you choose Skip Payment Step, then the payment step will be hidden for customers included in this group. For such cases, you can adjust the text that is displayed at the last step of your booking form. Navigate to the Appearance section. Switch to the Done tab. Select Form View in case of payment has been skipped and click on the underlined text to edit. To edit the group details, click Edit. By default, all new customers and non-logged-in WordPress users who make bookings on your website have no group. You can adjust the settings for such customers in General Settings. These settings will also be applied to all non-logged-in WordPress users. To assign a customer to a group, go to the Customer section, click Edit, and select the relevant group from the Group drop-down menu. You can set the service visibility based on a group a customer belongs to. Note that this feature works only for users who are authorized in WordPress. Go to the Services section, open the service card, and for the visibility setting, select Customer Group Based. Then, select the group from the drop-down menu. According to the settings here, this service is visible only to customers who belong to the VIP group. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Like this video if it was helpful. Feel free to subscribe to our channel and follow the links in the description if you want to know more about Bookly. Have something to share? Let us know in the comments section below. See you soon!